Hey guys, welcome back to Tech with Red. Today, we have an exciting unboxing and review for you. We'll be taking a closer look at the Fireboltt Interior Smartwatch, priced at 2,999 rupees. So, let's dive right in. As we open the box, we find the watch itself, along with the charging cable, some coupons, and the user manual. Take a look at this beautiful watch with its blue straps and silver frame. The glass pattern is unique and adds a touch of elegance. Made from metal, it exudes a premium feel and offers excellent build quality. Fireboltt also provides a black variant of the watch featuring black straps and a black frame, so you have options to suit your style. The Fireboltt Interior Smartwatch features a 1.96-inch AMOLED display. The bezels are consistent on all sides, creating a seamless visual experience. The display quality is top-notch with deep blacks and vibrant colors. The resolution of 410 by 503 pixels and brightness of 600 nits make it a standout in its price range. One of the standout features of this watch is its sensor accuracy. This factor will help you decide whether to purchase the product or not later in this video. We'll compare it with an oximeter to demonstrate its reliability. The Fireboltt Interior Smartwatch supports an always-on display, ensuring that important information is readily visible at all times. To pair the watch with your phone, simply download the Fit Cloud Pro app. From the app, you can set multiple watch faces, allowing for personalization. You can even change watch faces using the rotating crown for added convenience. The touch response of the watch is smooth and responsive. By swiping up, you can access the notification panel. Swiping down reveals the control bar, where you can control music playback, adjust brightness, and access other settings with ease. This smartwatch enables direct monitoring of your sleep data, providing accurate insights. Additionally, you can access weather information, control music, and add widgets to customize your watch further. Tapping the crown button twice allows you to change the menu style, with 4 options to choose from. As this is a calling watch, it comes equipped with apps such as telephone, contacts, call history, voice assistant, and more. It even offers features like workout tracking, heart rate monitoring, alarm clock, calculator, and calendar. With its lightweight design and premium look, the Fireboltt Interior Smartwatch feels comfortable on your wrist. It's a perfect companion for your daily activities. So now let's see heart rate and other sensors accuracy. So the heart rate on my watch is 82 and oximeter also 82. 83 on both devices. This is so accurate, and now it is 85 on both devices. Now let's have a look on oxygen level monitoring. It is 98 on watch and 97 on oximeter. Now both devices have same reading of 97%. If you are watching till here, then please like the video and subscribe my channel. If you want to read reviews and check the current pricing of the Fireboltt Interior Smartwatch, you can find the link in the description below. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and demonstrations. Until next time, this is Tech with Red, signing off.